Hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, MESARASTARR. Thank you so much for being here. I am so glad you are here. I want to go ahead and talk about today's sale. This is amazing. I think this is actually going for a few days, this 3-wick candle sale. All 3-wick candle sales. So from the highest candle to the lowest 3-wick candle, as far as pricing point goes, all $12.95, all encompassed in this great sale price. So lowest price of the season, limited time in stores and online. Plus, if you have the additional 20% off, it would work on top of these, making them about $10.36, if my math is correct. And so I want to talk about a couple of these new candles, as well as some new body care that just popped up. So real excited about that. Also want to quickly mention today is September 8th, and it's going to be the release of the next limited edition candle, which will be the Sweater Weather combined with Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. I think that's going to be a very interesting, intriguing one. I think it's going to be like very fresh and spicy, I think, because of the sweet cinnamon pumpkin with the Sweater Weather, that marriage of the two. Very interesting. I'm so excited. Again, online, not online available. I wish it was. I really wish it was, but in stores only. So anyways, you guys, without further ado, let's start this website walkthrough and let's get this party started. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and narrow this search down by new arrivals. There are some ones I want to talk about that are brand new to the website. So we have, let me go ahead and find it now. I was just looking at it. Here we have the cinnamon Irish cream. So this is an online exclusive. I did see it in the single wick a few days ago. I did actually order it, so that should be coming to my home any day now. As far as it in a 3-wick and included in this $12.95 sale, yes, that is happening. And I wish this was in store so I could actually try it out, but it is an online exclusive, and I guess that makes it more intriguing to me because it's like I have no idea what it smells like, but it does give you a little description here: a creamy, spicy, chilly fall night necessity. And again, I love the labeling or the packaging here on these candles. I know it's a little bit on the simpler side, but I think it has a very like cute, fun, and I like that they actually like put like what, like they put the mug of like cinnamon Irish cream with the cinnamon sticks on the label, and yeah, very, very nice and simplistic. So like matches this whole collection here, the pumpkin cupcake. So welcome home to this candle. I am so glad to see it back, you guys. I love this one. So this is cinnamon sugar, warm apple butter, clove buds, and brown sugar. And yes, I am definitely ordering at least 2 of these today, at least 2 of these. I love this one so much, you guys. I love it in the wallflower refill. I love this. It's one of my favorite candles, and it's doesn't come around all year round. So I'm glad to see it back in stock here and ready to sell. So this is in the like leafy pattern. The leaves do go around the whole packaging, and it has a little tiny bit of a raised little tiny bit. It's not really like a 3D effect with the leaves, but it's a very nice like how do I say it? Neutral candle. It'll go with like any decor, I think. Also, and plus the smell is amazing. The scent, warm apple pie. This is exciting too. They had, the last time I saw warm apple pie was for 4th of July, but now they have it in the fall packaging here. Now, I will say, little side note, warm apple pie in the 4th of July was a little bit light on the throw, so I'm wondering how it's going to perform in this particular packaging. And then also we have down here white balsam and vanilla, which again, I'm so excited to see this coming out, even though we're not okay. I think we're only like now like 90 something days away from Christmas, but you're like, Sarah, you're counting. Yes, I am totally counting, you guys. I am so excited. But white balsam and vanilla, I'm glad to see it out right now, even in September here, because for a fact, for example, I just literally replaced today my which last night actually, because it's early morning Thursday here, but I burned through the salted butterscotch, the single wick in my downstairs bathroom, so it was time to replace it. So I did put the sea salt and balsam in our downstairs bathroom. I haven't burned it yet, but it's sitting in the last year's flocked 3-wick candle holder. It's like on that pedestal, so it looks so gorgeous with that green with inside the pumpkin holder. I mean, the candle's green and then the pumpkin holder's orange. Anyway, it's sea salt and balsam. I'm excited. So I'm just happy to see more balsam fragrances or candles out. In fact, the other day when I was in store, I overheard a customer asking if Tree Farm was in store yet. And so I think a lot of people are looking for those fresh woodsy tree scents, for example, fresh balsam again. So they brought it out in this leafy pattern as well. So here we have woodland balsam, crisp eucalyptus, fir branches, and cedar wood. Such a clean burning candle. It just, fresh balsam, and it really fills a room up. It's super strong. And if you love the smell of a Christmas tree, you will definitely love this one. 100% love this one if you love the smell of Christmas trees. Okay, as far as this one goes, so this is the highest price candle, and guess what? Only $12.95 today. I love this lid or this packaging with this skull lid. It's so pretty. Let me go ahead and zoom out here a little bit. I'm zoomed in a little bit too much here. But yeah, we have the skull lid. It's got this like glass ombre effect, and it's smooth on this side. Okay, so if you haven't seen this in store yet, it's smooth on the top part, and then underneath has the like indentations for the like color of the skull. It's really a cool effect that they did with this. And also it's a luminary. I want to point that out. It's a luminary, so it's going to reflect light through these little cutouts here. It's a gorgeous candle, and it's been throwing really well for me. And so here we have a couple more choices to choose from. There is just so many. I'm so excited about it. Okay, so here is just kind of one more little look at it, and then let's head on over to body care. Really pleased to see some new items pop in in the body care aisle of the store. Okay, so what I want to show you here is, oh my gosh, I almost fell out of my chair when I saw this. Okay, because here we have it. Where did you go? The pumpkin pecan waffles. Where are you? In the body mousse, you guys. So I'm trying to find, here we are. Okay, it moved around. It moved around. Here it is. Pumpkin pecan waffles whipped body mousse. OMG. What? Oh, you guys, I'm such a happy girl to see this in stock. I just didn't even know that like this would be in a body mousse, a whipped body mousse. I don't think they've ever had a whipped body mousse in this scent before. So, you know, I'll take anything in this scent, like seriously anything. I love this, any form, even in the sparkling, you know, the crackly whipped. Okay, I'm totally blinking right now, but the Halloween ones, the fizzy ones, the fizzy like the glittery body lotion ones. Yeah, I would take it in that form too. Like this is just so good. So it's $18.50. It is not, of course, part of the sale, but it is a buy 3 get 3 free or buy 2 get 1 free. But how fabulous is that, you guys? Like, right? It's like so fabulous. Yeah, so I had to point that out. Also, there is going to be the white pumpkin and chai has now made its debut. It is going to be cinnamon cider, spiced pumpkin, and vanilla glaze, and it's in the faceted collection. Very beautiful. Has this almost like, looks like a kind of an almost like a shimmer effect, like a opaque, how do I say it, like opalescent kind of look to it. And so they have different forms of this. So there is the fine fragrance mist, there's also the shower gel, and that's $14.50 as well. And then there's also the must-have minis in it as well, which I am a day late, $1 short to getting that one because it wasn't in store yesterday, as of yet yesterday, white pumpkin and chai. But here it is in the body cream formula there for $17.50. And also here we have the must-have mini sizes. So wish that was available yesterday, but didn't make its debut till today. So here we have it, and all sizes and like I said, forms. And so very exciting moment there. Sweet whiskey, here we have that again. We've been seeing that one, exciting as well. So as far as that goes, oh yes, and aromatherapy. I want to show you something going on in the aromatherapy collection. Let's head on over there. So they also have the melts, the oil melts, the body oil melts. I didn't know the exact name of it. I knew it was oil melt, but cinnamon sandalwood body oil melt, you guys. This has got me intrigued. This is the cinnamon and sandalwood. It's soothing cinnamon and calming sandalwood. So basically, overview of it, it says infused with the good stuff and it melts into an oil for luxurious nourishment. Wow, I'm like really wanting to try this